So 75 hours later, show me what it looks like. And now you're gonna put it in the oven, right?
For 15 to 20 minutes.
Totally.
Yeah, sure. Just did it say just?
Can't see the time.
Did it say just throw it in?
1 cup and a half a cup of sugar.
Oh, I think that's more.
I don't think that's it. A whole cup is at the top. Like, keep going.
That's a half a cup, so you gotta do 3 of those.
More? Oh!
Do 2 more cups of like that after that one.
Dang, that's a giant sugar. I'm gonna have a sugar high. God.
1 more. No.
She licks stuff off the table all the time. This is the cleanest the table's been in a while. We'll just put some
And then
music on that
1/4
part.
cup
All right, put
flour.
it up. Put it up.
It's snow!
And then fill this up with flour. Flour. Fill it up with flour.
How many times?
1.
It's raining snow! Oh, God. Eli's like, I hate my life. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. We're gonna have Mariah look at this thing.
2 lemons squeezed. And,
Give me lemons!
And what?
and 4 eggs.
Gotta hit it harder. Okay. Today.
Maybe I should do it.
No, she's got it. Look, she just did it.
It's on the table.
Let me see. I'll do one. Let me see.
That's like you diseases from that.
You got it. You can do it.
Beautiful egg. Ow! Ew!
There's still egg in there.
The egg just jodled. Okay. So then mix this in there. Okay. So you gotta like.
Let me squeeze.
No!
To that bowl. Or wait.
Other
no,
way.
no, no,
Other
no,
way,
no.
that in there.
There you go.
It's actually turning out.
Into something. And then brother.
Oh, it smells good. I love it.
She's doing something.
Yeah.
Is this your chance to show your muscles?
No. This is like actually kind of hard to
Can you pull up your sleeves so we don't get your sleeve juice in there too?
Not sleepy.
It's sleeve juice.
Mom has sleepy.
I don't even have sleeves.
I said your mom.
My mom, grandma has sleeve juice.
Ooh, I'm telling Grandma when my kids at her house. This is
Are you-
actually not that hard. Except for that part. Yes, there is!
Where?
I just dropped a seed. And then there's more.
Why are you putting seasoning?
No, I'm getting out.
You said you dropped one in here.
I accident.
You got the one in here?
Shut up!
You're gonna get more of that.
Go.
Mix it, Liana.
I
Liana.
want to go to the bathroom. What? You want me to go pee my pants? Sorry, but I'm hot.
Whip it. You look so creepy.
Oh, God.
Baby doing the most.
Ooh, that looks good.
Now,
So do not touch it.
don't put it on the table without something under
It's
it.
on the mitten.
Okay. Push it forward more towards me. Now, little girl, you're gonna pour that in there.
This?
That. In there.
Giantest lemon bar ever.
And now what?
Put it for 20 minutes and we're good. You gotta get a lemon cake. That it's probably doesn't pass safety regulations in most restaurants or food service places, so it's okay.
Why do you look depressed? Because it's over? It's not over yet. We gotta wait 20 minutes.
This is an accomplishment, man. Do you know what we are doing right now? We are breaking new ground.
She said it's disgusting looking.
Now,
hey,
350.
Hey, when they do the Nailed It episodes, you love the derpy stuff. So when it comes out derpy, it's better, right?
No!
When life gives you lemons, make lemon bars.
Okay.
Gives you lemons.
So,
you don't use
say we'll be
candy.
back in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
It's been 20 minutes.
So it's time?
Yeah.
See what we got. Ooh, what is it?
It's hot, Leona. Don't get too close. Let me see that, man.
Put it down.
Cool. Might be pretty good.
Okay, so we let them cool. They're still a slight bit warm. Chopped them up. She's already tasted them. Because she couldn't wait for the brother. All right, brother. Go
I
ahead.
have to eat one.
Yeah, just taste it. We've had one each, and she's on her second.
I think I'll stuff at the end of it.
Just eat it.
Is that really the bite you took?
Yeah.
Brother gives it a what?
0.
Oh my god.
0 out of 20.
Nailed it.